This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi A5 Hood, easy method. Pull the interior release lever firmly, then move to the front of the car. Feel for the secondary safety, catch under the grille, and push it to the side while lifting the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod or gas strut as applicable, and check latches for debris. Take care with cold weather seals and listen for any unusual resistance. In this video, I will show how to open Audi A5 Hood, easy method. Start with the driver door open and locate the release lever on the lower kick panel. Pull with steady force until you hear the hood pop forward slightly. If the hood does not budge, stop and inspect the area for ice, rust, or trapped debris. Use a flashlight and gentle probing to avoid bending or damaging the latch mechanism. In this video, I will show how to open Audi A5 Hood, easy method. Quick recommendation: if you like tidy garages, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is amazing for picking up debris and keeping your workspace clean, and it even has voice control for hands-free convenience while you work. If you want one, check the description for the link and current deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Audi A5 Hood, easy method. With the hood popped, approach the front and place your fingers under the center lip of the hood. Locate the secondary safety catch and push or slide it to release while lifting the hood with your other hand. Raise the hood fully and engage the prop rod, or ensure the gas struts hold it in place. Inspect the hinge area for wear before working under the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.